Hello, so what is going on, guys? It's Timothy Rain here, back with another video. So into this video, guys, I'm gonna teach you, actually it's been a while since I've actually posted a video here in YouTube because I have something in school happening. It's not a problem, but it's a project though. So okay, let me just move my mic a little bit because there we go. So yeah, we're gonna be going web scrape today, as you can see at the title and I think at the thumbnail. So yeah, we should. Okay, let me just run a command prompt right in here. Type pip install. Make sure I'm actually Python though. Pip install beautiful soup. Full soup. And add 4 beautiful pip install beautiful soup 4, and I already installed that, so it will not continue at the installation. The next is lxml, and I already installed that, so it will not install it again. And not without the least, request. So it may take a while, I don't know why. Okay, so it's already installed again. So let me just CLS this and then type Python. You can use a text editor if you are creating an app, or you can use IDLE as well. So we should now type import request, then import bs4, then let's create a variable. I'm gonna name a variable req equals requests. Okay, let me just add a space right here. Requests dot get, and open close parentheses and single quotation marks. So we should go into Google Chrome and let's find a website that I've wanted to find. So this is my website though, so you can go into my website, but I'm gonna go with the games. Then I'm gonna copy this URL, make sure it has the HTTPS at the top, or HTTP. Now I'm gonna paste it into the terminal. There we go. If there's no error, you're good to go. Then type req. So it's a request model or request model response. So we should type req dot text, and this is actually the full text. HTML and CSS. This is the whole code for my website. Next, what we want to do is to create use beautiful soup. So let's now type soup scrape. I'll just type soup equals bs4 dot beautiful soup. Make sure you be careful for that case sensitivity right there. Beautiful soup, and then goes parentheses req, or the variable that you've created before, and add dot text, then comma, two quotation marks, and then type lxml. So we can use lxml because it's a phraser, so we can use it like that. Enter, then type scrape equals soup title scrape, enter. So as you can see right here, there's nothing appears because I don't have actually a title into my website. I'm not good at designing my website, so So let's type, let's do it again, scrape, but H2. the tag h2. So it's scrape. So as you can see, h2. To get the raw text, just type scrape. The first, there's 0. So let me just see if there's a scrape. There's a h2. So then dot get capital T text. Okay, so I'm wrong. So, and I actually open close parentheses. So as you can see, we have the raw text, but as you can see, there's a quotation mark right there because of it. Terminal based thing. So yep. This is the part 1 of it, and I hope you enjoy this. Click the thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it. We're actually, I don't know how many 71 subscribers now. It's a long way until we get 1,000 subscribers. 100 subscribers. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.